So in light of my recent break-in, I break in, smash and grab. I was thinking about upgrading my security for the vehicle, including getting an improved alarm system that will be able to notify me via cellular service, or at least thousands of feet away, or getting a dash cam too as well, so I can see what's going on and report the progress. Apparently when you report something that is in progress, that's when the police will actually respond. So that includes having actual video footage and actually seeing what's going on. So something like the Owl Cam dash cam was something that was going to work. Unfortunately, I looked online to see, and lately some of the reviews have been saying that the Owl Cam dash cam business is, they've diverted their focus. Maybe they got bought out, they're switching to something else. And that kind of reminds me of the situation before where I got a really cool product for the car and they went out of business. So I didn't want to go down that path as well. And you know, with the return policy, I was looking at getting one of these over at Best Buy with a 14-day return policy. I didn't want to get stuck with something that was just going to cause a problem and hassle, and I hate returning things to Best Buy and most retailers. If they had it on Amazon, I would have tried it out, but it was on Amazon at some point, and then they stopped stocking it. Maybe they found out something. Maybe they knew that they're no longer in business anymore. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what kind of security alarm system you guys use, what's good for downtown area and for higher security.